All right, here we go. If you don't have close access to a sewer inlet for your RV, you can just pipe it through a simple hose here without having to get one of those giant hoses and try to have a certain amount of fall for it and everything like that. So this is the 12-volt macerator pump. Basically, it just hooks onto your thing here. Have your exit hose right there. Hook up a little battery like we got right there, or you can hook it up to adapter if you need to. Anyways, just flip the switch. And it's just gonna drain your tank right there. Everything's just gonna flow right on out of there, and it just pumps it through a regular garden hose. You can put another hose right here if you're using the black water tank to make sure it's all cleaned out. But other than that, you just turn on the hose, the little pump here. If there is any debris in there, it'll just chop it up and send it through the hose to wherever you want it to go. So we have about 150 foot run on this hose, and it pumps just fine, no problems at all. So no having to worry about giant sewer hoses and things like that going from your RV to wherever with a certain amount of fall. This is super convenient and easy to use. Just hook it on there, basically hook up your hose and turn it on, you're good to go. So super convenient and works really good. You can dump all these tanks in what, about 10 minutes or so?
All of them I can get done in 15.
All in 15, so works really nice, super convenient. Anyways, a great idea if you have an RV. Thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.